Yes, sir. Yes, you are audible. Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. So, what are your doubts? Any doubts in the previous class? And can anybody revise what we have learned in the last class? Okay, so let us learn about the campaign strategies. And before that, we should see what are the ad types we have. So, these are the 7 ad types we have. One is search ad, expanded text ad, responsive search ad, display ad, call only ad, remarketing ad, wherein we use search network for that. And again, remarketing can be done in display networks also. And again, dynamic ad we have, video ad, and shopping ad. So we have 7 different types of ads. Then these are the campaign strategies. So like sometimes we use only the search network, and sometimes we use the SNDS campaign, search network with a display campaign. So let us understand when exactly we use these kind of strategies. So when do we use the search network? So guys, can anybody try to say when do we use the search network campaign, wherein you target only search network? Yeah.
When there is a high demand in search for our products and services.
Yes. So if you want to meet the right customer in the right place, okay. So wherein we use the search network only, because the moment they type in something and your ad will be shown, and that is how, if the ad mentions about the value, right value which the customer is looking for, then the customer would call you or they may click on your link, right? So that is the search network only. Then again we have search network with the display select. So that means at the same time, the same campaign will work for the search network as well as the display network. That means how exactly this kind of type of campaign will work. Suppose like suppose somebody is looking for a product or service, so they have typed in a product. Okay, so like the Reebok shoes, somebody has typed in Reebok shoes, and you have mentioned some ad in the search ad or any shopping ad, so he has clicked on that. So the moment he left, okay, then immediately our ads will follow him. So suppose immediately the next minute, if he visit the YouTube, there also he would able to see our ad. And if he visit any blog, in that blog also he would be able to see our ad. So like wherever he goes, our ads will be shown. And the beauty of the search network with the display select ad is something like, if you target, like when we do the both display network as well as search network, you are going to create a great impact among the customers, right? So these kind of combination will also work out. So then RLSA or remarketing list for search ads. So remarketing list for search ads. So this is a different kind of strategy wherein we whoever is visiting our website, we are again retargeting. So in this type of campaign, what happens, and we are doing the remarketing with only search ad, not with the display ad. We are doing the search ad with only uh, search ad. So in that case, what happened, suppose today you have typed in digital marketing training and I am running the RLSA campaign. So you have just clicked on my website and left. And tomorrow, because already I have created you in my RLSA campaign, so if you come tomorrow again and if you type uh, digital marketing course near me, then automatically my ad only will be shown. So in this case, what exactly is happening? We are eliminating the competitors. So first time when somebody types in, they will get the competitor, and the later on what we type in, so we will be like only our ad will be shown, not our competitors ad. So this is how Google is giving an opportunity for us, so that we can build a brand and we can get the customer. So these all are the strategies only which will get the business to us. So as long as they are in our bucket, as long as they are in our bucket, so whenever they type in related to the keywords which we have mentioned in our campaign, whatever he types in, he would be able to see our ad only. So what happens at the customer end, he would see that only this person is available for me, this ad is being shown more number of times. So that is the reason why he make up his mind, and he may incline towards you, like he may purchase a product only from you, because he is able to see more ads in your favor, right? But practically what happened, you have remarketed them. So there is one more condition, like advertiser one, you are the advertiser one, you are also targeting the same customer, and the Chetna is also targeting the same customer, and Simi ma'am is also targeting the same customer. So in that case, what happens, our three ads will be shown. If no one is targeting him on the remarketing on the search ads, so your ad only will be shown. If any other people also targeting the same, then their ads also will be shown over there. But advantage of this campaign is, practically we would be getting a less cost, because already we have paid for the first time, so that would be more costly, and the second time when he clicks on our ad, it would be less, so Google will charge less. So though we are into the competition, so it will charge you less. So this is how the cost advantage, and in that way we can even beat our competition and we can influence our customer easily. So that is the power of the RLSA campaign. Okay. So guys, whatever these notes whatever the campaign which I'm talking about, you all have to submit the notes on each and every strategy. You have to do some research on that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So next one is call only. So this call only network will work only on the search network only. It will work on search network only. So we cannot use the call only campaign on display network. So it is call only on display network and search mobile only. It will work on the mobile only. Okay, it will work on the mobile device only. Okay. So again, as how exactly in search network somebody types in and somebody is using the mobile, and if they are typing any product or service in your name, so immediately what happens, they click on our call button. So there will be a call button in the call only ad. So they would type in, immediately you would get a call. So these kind of businesses are really working well, as I already have shown you. So we are running a campaign, especially the call only campaign. So this is just to show you how exactly, I think, did I show you this? How we work for the US clients? How do we record the calls?
No, sir. You told us about the call rate, but how to record? I don't think so. We did that.
Okay, so these are the call details. So now, so this is how somebody types in, like it will show us our the keywords also. See here, and this is a campaign name, and sometimes it will show the okay. So likewise, so the moment they type in, so we will be able to record. So this is the call only campaign. So how do we run the call only campaign? So this is how we run the call only campaign at the back end. So that is the campaign for the first time I have shown you, right? So you know how to create the campaign, call only campaign. In the first class of the Google Ads, I have shown you the same thing, right? Forgot that? What you have learned in the first class, the call only campaign only, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then the next one is the dynamic search ads campaign. So we have already discussed about this kind of campaign. If any e-commerce store is there and multiple products are there, so it is very difficult for us to create that many campaigns. So instead, we create the dynamic campaign. With that dynamic campaign, it will promote all the products, and whatever the product is which is trending, it will promote that only. So likewise, we don't miss the trend of the market also. So by using the dynamic search ads campaign. Okay, so it was kitchen remodeling services campaign. So what is the another campaign which we got it usually? So DSC also has given, call only countertop also has given. So these all are the campaigns which are regularly showing the performance. So it is better not to stop those campaign. Call only countertops, yes. Yeah, bathroom remodel, lead gen call only. Okay. So we have all that campaigns. So lead gen, call only, and bathroom remodeling was also working fine for us. Where is that campaign? I think we have renamed that bathroom remodeling. Yeah, here we have the bathroom remodeling. Okay, so likewise, lead gen call only. That one, yeah, it is enabled. So these all are the campaigns which were generating the business for us. So this is how the moment somebody types in any keyword, so our ad will be triggered, And once the moment the ad is triggered, so the call will be landed on this call rail application. So there we will be able to track or record the call. So this is the transparent system which we have created, so that to because sometimes the customer will get the calls and they say that no, we didn't get the call. So here we will be having the proof that at least we have generated these many calls. Okay, so next one is the call only with remarketing. So that means the same kind of how exactly it worked with the search network. So we do the remarketing for the people whoever has clicked on our ad for the first time, and whenever they type on something, so they would only get our ads. So we do that remarketing kind of activity. Then we have the display network only campaign. So display network means in any website like I take the newspaper like Times of India or Hindu on net. Okay, so these all are the websites. So here you would be able to see the ads from the Google. So these all are nothing but the display network. Any blog, any website which is showing the Google ads, then we will call that particular website as the display partner of the Google. So that is the reason why we are able to see the Google ads on that particular website. So the website owner would also make money, or the blog owner also would make money by this. Okay, so these all are the display ads. So just how do we say whether it is a display network, display partner or not? See here, there is a eye icon, and if you tap on that, if you click on that, you would be able to see the Google ads by Google. Okay, so that means this Times of India website is the display partner of the Google. So this is how we can say. So display ads usually contain the text ads as well as the image ads. So most probably people will use the images for the display ads. Okay, so they are using the GIF over here. See here. How rich ads they are able to create. Got it? So these all are the display ads. Then we are going to see the display ad with placement targeting, display ads with the in-market audience. As already we have learned about the in-market audience, affinity audience, and there will be custom affinity audience, and there will be topic targeting and interest targeting. We'll see that. Then again, you do the remarketing with only display ads. Video campaigns you run, video campaigns with remarketing. There will be performance max campaign, wherein one campaign will work on all the platforms. Okay, so wherein we don't need to have a separate video campaign, separate display campaign, separate search campaign. You create only one campaign and it will work on all the platforms. So that is the performance max campaign. And the local store visit campaign. So we have the local store visits campaign also. And we have app installation campaign, wherein we need to, if you have any app, so if we want to promote that, so to increase the app installations, or already people have installed the app but they are not opening or using that, so we again run a campaign called app engagement campaign, so that the people can use the app. So then again, discovery campaign is there and a shopping campaign is there. So discovery campaign will try to show your ad only to the most relevant people who may get converted. Okay, so Google knows the signals and accordingly it will work. So these all are the different strategies we have. So the campaign strategies. So once if you have the control or command over these, then you will be said you are the perfect or you are the master for the Google ads. Only these things if you learn, or only these 22 steps if you are able to do, then you are the master. Okay, so you would be getting the job easily if you are able to create this kind of campaign. So when you have your account, you try to create these kind of accounts. Okay, so technically you should be knowing each and every step, because in the interview they will ask you how to create this video campaign, how to create a video campaign with remarketing. So they would ask you in detail. So you should be able to tell them the step by step procedure. So that is the only challenge, or that is the only easiest method. So once if you are able to do this, so then it is very easy for you to get into the MNCs. Okay, if anybody is planning the MNC career. Okay, so let us create the search only campaign now. So that is the live account of the customer. I cannot create my sample campaigns or test campaigns over there. So I'm switching over to my campaign, my account. So in this almost, I think I have created 60 plus campaigns, which are just for testing purpose. Okay, now I'm going to create the search only campaign, search network only campaign. So wherein what is my objective for the search network only? My objective can be sales, leads or website traffic. So I may select the leads and you should select only one. So here I need only they have to fill up the form. So I use only one goal over there. Every campaign must have single goal. Please remember that. You cannot have multiple goals for the same campaign. So if you have any multiple goals, you have to remove all those things. So now I am going to create a search network only campaign and I need website visits. And this is what my website. Okay. And this is search network only. Okay. So this is the search network only campaign. So it is showing you the default bid as 150 rupees. I'm not going to change the bid strategies, leave it. So I don't want to show my ads on the different partners because it will show like it will you consume my budget more because I want to focus more on the search network, Google only. So that is the reason why I'm not selecting the partner websites. And I want to show my ad only in India or India only. Okay, English is enough.
So why don't you select that search network?
Already have selected by default it is search network only. This is the include search partners. I am not selecting the search partners.
Okay, sir.
Okay, search partner means other websites. Ask.com, Ask Laila. So those websites also my ad will be shown. I don't want to show my ad on that. Okay, strictly I want to show my ad on search network, Google only. Okay, so I don't need any other settings. Simply I'm going to create the ad group and ad. So this is for e-commerce consultant. So let me do a job over here. Keyword planner. Okay, so now what I'm going to do now. So this is what my campaign master. So I need to decide the campaign name and all these things. So I'm just removing all these things for the US customer. So now what I need to decide the campaign name, ad group, keyword and headline 1, headline 2, all these things now. So let us see how do we create this campaign. So this is the master or template. So whenever you get an account or when you want to learn something, so first of all, you must prepare that sheet, okay, in a proper manner. So I'm typing e-commerce consultant. Okay, so this is how you will have to group the campaign. We are going to learn all those things. See here, e-commerce consultant, e-commerce expert, e-commerce developer. No, we don't need e-commerce specialist, e-commerce professional. Okay, so we have these kind of different synonyms. I have just typed in all the keywords over there. Now I'm downloading all these keywords over here. If you observe over here, it is creating the clear cut requirement of the customer. So let us do the ad grouping for this particular campaign. I'm going to show you only one time. For the remaining campaigns, every time we are not going to do the same thing, as it is for the first time I'm showing this. Where is the template? We have that Google Ads campaign template.
So it's
Yeah,
near.
here we
Yes.
okay. So now this is the keyword research for e-commerce consultant. So now this is our campaign wherein we have to create the ad group, name and keywords we have to select. So now let us use the campaign master, this one, and also this document. So where is e-commerce? Maybe in the downloaded. So where is that? It is not showing. E-commerce consultant keyword research. Okay, so this is the your document. I don't need the first one. I'm deleting that. Even I don't need this one also. So this one, this column I don't need. And maybe I need all these things. So let it be like this. So now we have all these keywords. So what I'm doing, there will be around 269 keywords, copying that because I need only add grouping, right? So I'm sorting it out. So I'm just taking another sheet, another column, and I'm sorting it out. Okay, so now you got this sheet. So now you have to group them. So it is something like Amazon e-commerce specialist, Amazon certified e-commerce specialist, Amazon age training program or something. So these all are the 99 e-commerce expert. Something is there. What is that? .3D cart experts. So we don't need this also. So this is also irrelevant for us. 99 e-commerce experts maybe, and agency Shopify or something. So these all are the irrelevant keywords for us. So I'm just deleting those relevant keywords. So now we have to delete these rows. Okay. So now Amazon certified e-commerce specialist, Amazon e-commerce specified, Amazon trained e-commerce specialist. So what I'm doing, I'm grouping all these things in and naming it for Amazon. Okay. So this is one group I'm creating, Amazon e-commerce. Okay. Somebody is looking for Amazon services, right? So that is one particular ad group. So apply to be a Shopify expert. So I don't need B2B e-commerce consulting, B2B BCG. So we have something like B2B. So this is good. So I'm just saying okay. So there is also a business over there. Guys, is it easy? Are you able to understand how we are grouping? So we are grouping with their intention. So this is BCG e-commerce. We don't know what is BCG e-commerce. Leave it. So best e-commerce, best e-commerce. So there is a separate intention about best e-commerce consultant. Okay. So this is the best e-commerce. Right. Then we have the best Magento expert. So Magento is the e-commerce software. So because their intention is to contact with the developers, not with the marketing people. So I'm just deleting this keyword. I don't need that. Best Salesforce commerce consulting. We don't deal with that. Shopify agency. Shopify is another software, but they are looking for a Shopify consultant. So better not to touch that at all. So I'm just deleting all these keywords. So these all are the irrelevant keywords for us. So big WooCommerce and big commerce developer. So we don't deal with this also. I'm just deleting this also. Certified e-commerce specialist, certified Shopify experts, cheap something. Okay, so commerce specialist. So up to here we can delete because these all are the relevant one. So certified e-commerce is one person. So we can make this particular group certified e-commerce. Okay, so that we can add it over there. Consultant for e-commerce business. So that is also good. Consultant e-commerce, consultant Shopify. So there we don't need this at all. So okay, so usually I put these two keywords in one ad group only. Okay, so demandware consulting, demandware SEO consultant, digital commerce consulting, digital commerce specialist. So these all are the relevant digital marketing and e-commerce specialist. So these things we can up to here we can delete, but the remaining maybe the good one. Okay, Drupal e-commerce experts. We don't need this. Yeah. So these things we can add it over there. So this one I make it as digital commerce. Okay. Now again we have these many keywords. So likewise. So guys, now you got it. How do we do the ad grouping? So now I'm just selecting this word ad group and these keywords. So the remaining things you have to do the same thing and everybody has to submit that. So I'm not completing that as it will take a lot of time. So I'm just copying the keywords over here and I'm pasting all the keywords over here. Okay. So that means now I'm going to type the rename this. It is for Amazon e-commerce. So likewise, it is only one particular ad group. So therein, so we are targeting these many keywords, right? So now I have to write the ad. So how do I write the ad? So there will be a final URL. So now what do? I just take the ad groups whatever I have created up to here. Control C. This is what my master. Then here I paste all the keywords over there. And there is a paste. I just select all the borders. So this is how we have to write. So now we have to write the headline for this particular Amazon. So my campaign name is e-commerce consultant. Okay. So the campaign name is same for all the ad groups. So these many different ad groups I have to create. I need to write an ad. So now can you write the effective ad now? So e-commerce certified. So they are asking about Amazon certified e-commerce specialist. Okay. So the rule is we should use all this always the same Amazon certified e-commerce specialist. Okay. So let us type the same thing and see how much it costs us, like is equal to length, because we can in the headline we can write only 30 characters, not more than that. So let us see whether it takes that or not. So now if I type Amazon certified, okay, so e-commerce specialist, it is taking. So what do? I type Control X over here and here. So right, I will type Amazon certified in one particular headline, and in another headline I will type e-commerce specialist. Okay, Amazon certified e-commerce specialist. So here, so E small and commerce capital. Okay, so this is how I can type. So Amazon certified e-commerce specialist, all Amazon services. Okay, and one more thing, like to attract Amazon certified will be there. Amazon certified product listing services. Product listing services will be there in Amazon. There will be a catalog management service. So let us see how much it is. So 29. Okay, perfect. Okay. So whatever the different ads you want to target for that particular ad group, so you can easily target all of them. So what exactly I can say then Amazon e-commerce specialist. So Amazon trained e-commerce specialist. So Amazon trained specialist. Okay. Amazon trained specialist. See, because the people are asking those things, so that is the value, right? So for that only they want to discuss. So you got their intention. So it is very easy for us to speak the same language. Okay. So we can tell them that. So we are the same to whom they are looking for. So there is a demand for that, right? Now you are able to see what all the demand for that. Okay. So now we should write the description for this ad. So what is the description you write? Amazon certified e-commerce specialist, services since 16 12 years. Okay. So it is just to calculate this. $62. For more details, call now. Okay, exactly 89 characters it is taking. So there is a second description which is also must. So two descriptions we have to write minimum, and we should type the second description over here. So second description we write Amazon trained e-commerce specialist instant services for Amazon business. Okay, so now what is the, so you should plan even better ads over here. Okay, you should think about the customer, what, how they will uh, get influenced. Okay, instant services I am saying. And what is the another thing which we can do? All instant services for Amazon businesses. Okay, all instant services for Amazon businesses available. Okay, so then only the call now that I have to type call now. It is 88, so I do that one, and one more character is there, so I just give the space over there. Okay, so it is perfectly 90 characters. Now I have to decide my URL. So my URL would be this one. But here, this e-commerce, this landing page is not required because it is not talking about any Amazon services. So please, you need to ensure that the word Amazon related services you have to include in this landing page, then only you will get the calls. So as of now, time being, as I do not have anything, so I'm just going ahead with that, but it is not recommended. So you will have to include Amazon services over there. Okay, you must include all the Amazon related products or services over there, right? So this is how we have to completed one ad. So now let us do the copy pasting work over there. So now the headlines we have to write. So this is the final URL. So final URL anyhow we have copied. So this is the final URL. So it asking headline 1, headline 2, headline 3. So let me go to this sheet. So this is the headline 1. Okay. So the next one is the headline 2. The next one is the headline 3. Okay. So next, the descriptions we have. So minimum 3 headlines you must write and 2 descriptions you can write. But maximum you can write 4 descriptions and 15 headlines over there. Okay. So done. So I've done my job now. I'm writing this perfectly now. Okay. So then it is done. Perfect. Now we are going to complete. Because the keyword volume is very less, so hardly it may get us the clicks. So nothing to worry. So I'm just publishing this. So this is how simply I'm going to publish your campaign run ads missing info. Your campaign won't serve ad. Additional information is needed for your campaign to serve. Okay. So what is that additional information it needed? Anything over here it is saying? No, maybe the billing information only. Yeah, I didn't add the billing, so leave it. Okay. So your ads are not running. Make a payment towards your overdue account balance. So there is maybe the balance which I need to pay. Now you got it. So this is how we are able to create the search network only campaign. Done. Now let us do the search network with a display selector. So that means in this search network only. So already I have shown you how to build the audience. So there will be an audience. And if I target the audience, then it will become search network with display select. Okay. So this one we have completed. Now search network with the display select. So what I need to do, search network, anyhow I have created the search network ad. Now display select also I need to do. So that means I am targeting the audience segment so that I can meet the most relevant customers in the same way. So click on the ad segments. This is for the ad group, Amazon e-commerce, for these audience only. So let us take, if anything is there for Amazon. No, because I want to target my customers, right? So that is not possible. Okay. So e-commerce related business technology, CRM, ERP, web hosting, hosted data, social media. Okay, so I am just getting the business professionals over here. Okay. I want to target the people, especially the business owners. So somebody may be interested in website design and development, web hosting, domain registration, web design and development, city building games. Maybe this can be my potential customers. Okay, so okay, so this one also I can target. So this one also I can target. Okay, because there may be a chance wherein I may get my customers in that, because directly there is no segment for me which is talking about the e-commerce businesses, so it is not segmented that. Okay, so likewise I can just, or online shopping, shop online customers, but online service, something like I type online only, we'll see. No, so I need the business owners, business professional, business traveler, social media, banks online, avid business news readers, or business services, business technology. So, okay, so I can target all these things now. Accounting, corporate, tax preparation service, or somebody is looking for business loans, I can target them. My customer may be there in that group, right? Business, somebody is looking for business productivity software, my customers may be there in this. Somebody may be looking for services, may be there in that group. So wherever we have avid business news readers, yes, okay, those things I can target. Avid investors, so business professionals, I don't think so, but better to travel them. Okay, so these all are the people to whom we can target. So this is how I have targeted them. So this is search network with display select. So we have selected the display audience over here. So what is the another problem over here? You have selected the audience, but you have not created the display ad for this. So we have to create a display ad also, so that to show our ad on the display network. So let us go over here and create a display ad again. So it is showing us the, yeah, so the problem over here is we have selected only the search network, so we have to select the display network also. So what I'm doing over here, I'm going to these networks and include Google display network. I'm targeting the Google display network also. So now it will become the Google search network as well as SNDS campaign, search network as display network campaign in one ad group. Now if you go to the ads, it will show us to add the image ads. See here, we are getting a responsive display ad. So now we are going to create a responsive display ad. Okay, so now we would type in the same thing. Okay, so if you have any images, you can add. So at least one landscape image is required. So let us take, so but I need something for e-commerce, right? So I should take some e-commerce related image. I don't have any image, but I'm going with the shopping and I'm typing Amazon e-commerce. Okay, as it is for the businesses, these boxes anyhow represent the Amazon only. So I am showing this. I'm selecting that image. So indirectly I'm targeting some Amazon, right? Okay, so these two images I have selected. Otherwise, you could have prepared those images. Okay, so digital marketing consultant or Amazon e-commerce consultant. Okay, it is Amazon e-commerce consultant. Okay, so what is that another thing we can say? We have already written the headlines over there. The same headlines you can use it over here also. So something like e-commerce specialist. So then again we have something called Amazon certified. Then again we have so there is a spelling mistake. Okay. So now in the long headline I should write the description. I write, would you like to set up okay, so would you like to set up online business? Because we cannot use the Amazon word because our ad will get disapproved if I use the Amazon word over there. So I'm not using that. I should not use that. Okay, I'll show you as already have included over there. Would you like to set up online business with Amazon? So we mentor you. Okay, or we coach you for that. Okay, from the scratch. Okay, so then we write that headline. Anything else in the description which we can write? So already we have some description over there. I'm just writing that. Okay, so this one I can type. Okay, so I think that's all it for this ad. Now let us see how many responsive ads it has been created now. So let us see this first. Save. So we have to plan a lot for each and every ad. So I'm just, as it is a training, so I'm just spending some time and showing that. But practically we will have to spend a lot of time in every word, whatever we write over there, we have to think and write. It is not that much easy. What happened? Okay, so there is the ad. See, we can see all the combination of the ads like this. Okay, so our ad is under review now. So what exactly we can do is you can see the review. So these are the sample you can see. So how different ads we are able to create. So see here, this is the view for that. See, this kind of ad it is creating. This is one example. Okay, something like that it is saying. Then in the YouTube and Gmail, this would show like this. So wherever the possibility is there, it would show our ad. Okay, so again in the YouTube, so we have 3 ads. This is another ad on the YouTube itself. Okay, and this is another ad on the YouTube itself. Okay, so likewise, so we did nothing. So, and if it is in Gmail, if it is open, this is how it will show. If it is closed, this is how it will show. In the Gmail, this is how it will show. Now this is website and apps. In that also, automatically it is creating you show more. Okay, these many different types of ads it is going to create it for you. Okay, so this kind of ad which is going to create it for you, right? So likewise, okay, so likewise, so we just did nothing, but you are able to create. So the Google is giving you all such kind of technology wherein you would be able to create this kind of creative ads by using the Google Ads technology. Okay, just imagine if you create this kind of ads, what is your customers experience? They simply say wow. Okay, as we are using the Amazon brand word, we are unable, like we are not authorized to use that, so it will anyhow reject the ad. So tomorrow we'll see whether it will get approval or not. So this is how we can run the search network with the display campaign. So call only campaign already we have seen. So the next one is the remarketing list for search ads. Okay, so remarketing is the best, the biggest strategy. So we'll learn about that tomorrow. So maybe tomorrow on Monday. So tomorrow means on Monday. So I'm going to complete all these 22 steps. Okay, because everything is ready now. Because remarketing list also we have prepared, we have learned in advance. So just we need to connect that and where that audience segment is there. So that is how we can create that. So maybe by Monday or Tuesday, we'll complete the entire Google Ads. Okay, guys. So that's all it for the day. Any doubts you have, you can ask. But you will have to practice on all these things. Guys, how do you feel? Is it easy or difficult?
Yeah, sir, easy. Sir, I have one doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, we disabled in search network partner sites, na?
Search partners website disabled. Yeah.
Yeah. What is the reason if any people searching on the partner sites also, if our ad get displaced, is there any issue?
No, because I will lose money on the search partners because the more quality I will get it from my website only, right? I believe only Google.
Okay.
See, in Google itself, if 100 customers are, I need to show them only. But what is happening? You are losing your focus from the Google to the other partners. So I don't want to get into that.
Yeah, but actually searching means the customers who are more interested, that people only will search for that particular keyword. So compare
Yes.
with the display search network will reach more, I think.
Search network, no. My objective is if somebody is searching for my e-commerce consultant, okay, I want to show my ad over here only. I don't want to show my ad on any other website. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yeah, my doubt is some third-party website take this searching from the Google.
Yes.
So if we display our ad that place also, if any people are using that search engines, so there also we will get our ad. So it maybe reach more people, I think.
That is good. That is good. But I don't want that. Suppose you are saying that if you type, so if somebody is going to ask.com because it is the search partner of the Google. So if somebody is typing in and if they are typing here e-commerce consultant, so I may show my ad over there, right?
Yeah.
But I am not interested in showing my ad in the Amazon, that ask.com. I am ready to lose my visitor over there because the reason is I want to get my customers only from the Google because the people believe the Google, not these people. So the brand value, if you consider, the more brand value Google has. So the people believe and make the decisions on if somebody clicks on the search network, not on the other websites.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that is my opinion. So yes, obviously you can target the search partners also. It depends on the strategy, it depends on the service.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Because search network campaign is costly, I don't want to take the risk with. If any audience, if I am getting from Google, only give. Otherwise, don't give that. No problem. Right? I can
Okay.
ensure that yes, somebody is from Google and he has typed in so and so keyword, so the customer may be genuine. If not today, tomorrow I may get the customer or business from him.
Okay, sir.
Anybody else? Okay, guys. So that's all it for the day. Thank you. I hope no doubts at your end. See, we have only these many services in e-commerce. No doubts. So that's all it for the day. We shall continue again on the next class. Yeah. Any doubts?
No, sir.
A lot of doubts, sir, but I'll try and then I will ask you on Monday.
Yeah. So you will have to learn how to create these kind of campaigns. Okay.
Right.
Already have shared that campaign strategies document. So there are so many the list of campaign names. So you should do some search, should prepare some notes on that, and you should start creating the campaigns accordingly. Okay. So when you are able to create the 22 kind strategies, then you will become the professional. So you don't need anyone else help at all.
Right.
Okay. So you should become independent in that case.
Right.
Okay. So there is no what about in internship? As already, I think Pooja, you have texted me, right? Yesterday.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So you take your keywords as bathroom remodeling services, and it is for Maryland. Maryland. Write down the location. Right,
Maryland.
Maryland.
Okay.
Okay. So if you send your email ID in the chat box, I will share that e-commerce template to you.
Okay, I will
So the kitchen remodeling services, bathroom remodeling services, and countertop. Write down countertop. Countertop. Okay, there may be a number of countertops. So these three: kitchen remodeling services, bathroom remodeling services, and countertops. Okay, so these all are the three business segments. So I want you to do the keyword research on these three segments and come up with as many possible campaigns or ad groups.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So again, you have to come up with the ads also. You have to write the ads also specific to that. Okay.
Okay.
So you share your email ID so that I'll share that document to you, the campaign template. I've sent you that. So did you receive that?
No. Yes, sir. I'm unable to receive the documents. You have to share.
No, in the email only it is a 54 kilobyte only.
No.
Okay, I'm sending it again. Okay. So kitchen remodeling services, bathroom remodeling services, countertops. Okay, the website is European Granite. I'm mentioning the website name also. Okay, you just go through that. So try to understand what all the products or services they include over there, and you can even suggest what exactly they are not maintaining. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
So you can plan the campaign and ad groups.
Okay. Yes.
Do the thorough keyword research. You have to submit the document, so we have to review. Write the ads also.
Yes.
Okay. So if you could able to give this, so I will give you a couple of projects and the same assignments. Then once if you are done or doing everything good, then I'll put you in the live project.
Okay.
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 Anything else?
No.
Yeah. So how much time you can spend on every day?
Yes. I'm free right now. Yes, 10 to 6.
Okay. You work on this, and I'll
Yeah.
get back to you. Yeah. If any doubts are there, you can ping me on WhatsApp.
Okay.
Anything else, guys? Okay. So thank you. So that's all for the day. We shall continue again on Monday.